Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from Geek, and in today's guide video we are going to learn how we can add music on our Facebook profile. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. In today's video, we are about to simply learn how we can add music on our Facebook profile. Now, this is a very cool feature which Facebook just released. First of all, what you want to do is we want to open our App Store and make sure we have updated the Facebook application to the latest version. So I'm going to simply type in Facebook on the search box and make sure that we have actually updated our Facebook, because this is actually a recent feature. So we want to make sure we have updated the application. So after we have made sure of that, I'm going to simply open my Facebook right over here, and you also want to make sure that you are actually logged into your account. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to simply go to our profile page by tapping on our profile picture on the top left hand side of the screen. As you can see, currently I have not added any type of music on my Facebook profile. So if we want to add a music to our Facebook profile, on the right hand side of the screen you will simply be able to see these three little dots next to edit profile button. So we want to simply tap on these three dots right over here as you see it. And as you tap on these three dots, it will take you to your profile settings page. Here you have been given multiple options. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen. And as you tap on search button, here you have the option to search whatever, but we don't want to search anything. Instead, on the shortcut tab you'll find an option called music. So we want to simply go ahead and tap on this music button below live events and above did you know button. So I'm going to simply tap on the music button. So as we tap on music, you can see currently I have not actually added any type of music. In order to add it, on the top right hand side of the screen you want to simply tap on this plus button. And as we tap on plus button here, it will show you a list of all of the songs which are available on Facebook. If you want, on the top of the screen you can also simply press on this search button and then go ahead and search for a music depending on your own choice. So I'm going to simply select any of the music right from here. And as I select the music, it is going to actually take some time to show up on my newsfeed or on my music tab. So I'm going to simply select it right over here, and then I'm going to go back. So you can see that currently we have actually already added our music right over here. Now, if you want to pin this to your profile, then on the right hand side of the screen you can simply tap on these three dots again. And as we tap on it, at the bottom of the screen you can simply tap on pin to profile right over here. And once we have pinned this music to our profile, if we go back to our profile page, you can see that the music has actually been added on top of our profile button right over here, and people who visited our profile will be able to actually play this music. So this was a very short tutorial on how you can actually add music to our Facebook profile. Now if you want to remove it, you can simply tap on it, and then here you can simply tap on unpin from profile or replace song. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.